Welcome back, continuing the news. Police are investigating a brazen attack on 4 men at a bar in the Ocho Rios market in St. Ann last night. 2 men died during the incident. Alia Bryant has the details.
A deadly shooting incident at a bar in the Ocho Rios market St. Ann Thursday night has left 2 men dead and 2 others injured. Reports are that the men were inside the establishment when a lone gunman entered and opened fire on them. The attacker then fled the scene in a waiting motor vehicle. The victims were all found suffering from gunshot wounds. A man identified as Stevie Drake was pronounced dead at the scene. The other victims were rushed to hospital for treatment, where Basil Authors was pronounced dead. An eyewitness described the moments after the shooting.
Yeah, boy. I bet you to one of the day come and never make them stand up there. So I say, yeah, and carry a pop there. I don't know, when we take a attack, when the 3 little boy run past here. And then the son get shot out there. So 3 small of them shoots her and I run. And them run past and come down in the park here. So and then stop down there and walk go, sir. Go so after like them innocent. Man, they never buy no mask nor nothing.
Mayor of St. Ann's Bay, Michael Bell Navis, has bemoaned the incident, calling for a thorough investigation.
We're not used to this type of thing. And with the impending boom that we're seeing in and around the parish, in particular Ocho Rios, there seems to be an influx of individuals looking to criminalize the space, and that it needs to be dealt with as a matter of priority. It's putting the tourism product at risk, and it's putting the residents at unease.
Now, the Major Investigation Task Force, MIT, is leading the investigations. A similar incident occurred in the Ocho Rios market in August last year when a man was shot and killed by a gunman. That case was later cleared by police. However, serious concerns have since been raised about safety within the market, with residents now calling for increased security measures and a stronger police presence. Alia Bryant, TVJ News.